Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to view friends activity on Spotify. So if you want to know your friend's activity on Spotify and what he is listening to, what you have to do is just open up your Spotify application, and after opening your Spotify application just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on your profile icon now tap on view profile which is also at the top. And now on your profile you can find the two options, followers and following. You just have to tap on followers, and after tapping on followers now you can find those friends who are following you. And if you want to know their activity on Spotify, what you have to do is you just have to tap on their profile icon. So after tapping on their profile icon, here you can see the option playlist. So in the playlist option you can find the playlist what they are listening to. So now you can tap on any random playlist that you like, and here you can check what they are listening to, and you can just listen that songs if you would like. So this is how to view friends activity on Spotify. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.